Bitcoin and Ethereum have both suffered steep declines, with Bitcoin dropping below $104,000 and Ethereum slipping under $3,600, raising alarm across the cryptocurrency market. More than $5.72 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options are set to expire, increasing fears of further turmoil and volatility among investors. Data from CoinGlass shows $1.2 billion in liquidations occurred within a single day, while major altcoins like BNB, XRP, SOL, Doge, ADA, Link, and SUI fell between 8% to 20%. Market panic intensified after poor loan results from Western Alliance Bancorp and Zions Bancorporation and new concerns over U.S. banking stability and a potential government shutdown. President Trump's implementation of 100% tariffs on China triggered another severe downturn, with reports of large investors profiting by shorting the market ahead of the fall. Nearly 44,000 Bitcoin and 251,000 Ethereum options are expiring on Deribit, pointing to increased bearish sentiment and uncertainty ahead. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs saw significant outflows, and European regulators are tightening anti-money laundering checks on major platforms like Binance. Bitcoin's Coinbase Premium Index turned negative for the first time since mid-September, as US investors pulled back amid rising trade tensions with China. The passage from a recent high of $111,000 down to as low as $103,000 was marked by accelerated outflows and technical resistance at $112,370, reflecting a fragile market. After Trump's new 25% tariffs on heavy-duty truck imports from China, Beijing retaliated by restricting rare earth exports, impacting global trade and adding to the risk-off sentiment. Bitcoin's technical indicators, like the RSI hovering at oversold levels, and the 50-week moving average still holding, suggest high near-term volatility, with possible upside if resistance is broken. Cautious accumulation continues as some US investors buy, but uncertainty and macroeconomic headwinds keep volatility high. Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous Bitcoin creator, lost an estimated $20 billion in wealth in just 10 days as Bitcoin plunged from $126,000 to $103,056. Despite this loss, Satoshi remains among the world's richest due to holding roughly 1.1 million BTC, believed to be unmoved since Bitcoin's earliest days. The sharp crash followed Trump's 100% China tariff announcement, which fueled a 15% drop in the broader crypto market, and massive liquidations totaling $19.3 billion. Panic selling, especially over a thinly traded weekend, saw major investors, whales, profiting by shorting the market during the sell-off. This episode highlights how Bitcoin remains highly sensitive to macroeconomic and geopolitical events. In a separate crisis, a vulnerability in the Bitcoin Explorer, a BX 3.x series, led to the exposure of over 120,000 Bitcoin private keys due to the use of a weak Mersenne Twister 32 random number generator. Attackers exploited this flaw, which relied on system time for randomness, to recreate wallet seeds and steal funds from affected software wallets, like certain versions of Trust Wallet. OneKey, a hardware wallet provider, confirmed its own secure random number generation protected users, but stressed the broader risk thus to those using compromised software wallets. The firm advises users to opt for hardware wallets for long-term storage and immediately update compromised software. This situation underscores the need for strong cryptographic integrity and secure device practices within the crypto ecosystem. In summary, the past week in crypto has brought extreme market volatility, high-profile security vulnerabilities, and mounting regulatory challenges. Investors are advised to stay informed, review wallet security rigorously, and remain cautious amid ongoing macroeconomic tensions. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, deep dives, and expert insights on cryptocurrency markets. Stay informed, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.